Struggling to find a crib that fits perfectly in a small nursery? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best cribs for small spaces on Amazon that combine safety, style, and smart design without taking over your room. From compact convertible models to space-saving folding options, I'll break down what makes each crib stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's find the perfect fit for your little one and your cozy space. Number 1. Overall best pick. A double baby bassinet bedside crib. This all-in-one nursery solution delivers real versatility. The bedside crib mode allows newborns to sleep near you safely. The included diaper changer side makes late-night changes easier, and the lower play space is great as baby grows into toddler play. The mattress is a plus, and the travel bag helps make it more portable. On the downside, the unit is quite large and heavy, around 30 pounds unpacked, so setup and placement can feel awkward in smaller spaces, or if you move it frequently. If you value a feature-rich 3-in-1 system and have the space to accommodate it, this is a strong choice. But if you're tight on room or prefer ultralight portability, it might feel bulky. Number 2. My second best pick. Baby Delight Beside Me Dreamer Bassinet. This bassinet shines in a few key areas. The 6-position height adjustment means you can align it with most adult beds for effortless nighttime access. And the mesh side panels offer great visibility and airflow, so you feel close to your baby without feeling enclosed. It also uses a snug setup with included bed anchoring straps for bedside use, which is a major bonus. On the flip side, the mattress is very thin and firm. Some users say it feels more like a board than a cushioned surface. If you want an affordable bedside option that helps with easier access during the night, this bassinet is a smart choice. Just be aware of the height and mattress trade-offs. Number 3. My third best pick. Dream on Me Aiden Mini Baby Crib in Gray. This crib delivers some smart advantages. It's made of sustainable pine wood with a non-toxic finish and is GRE and GUARD Gold and JPMA certified, so you're getting a unit designed for healthy sleep and safe materials. The compact footprint is ideal for small rooms, and the 4-in-1 convertibility, crib mini daybed twin bed, plus 3 mattress height settings means it grows with your child. On the downside, converting to a twin bed requires purchasing additional hardware, so the full 4-in-1 isn't all-inclusive. Also, being a mini crib, it's not compatible with standard full-size crib mattresses. If you're working with a small space and want a safe, long-use crib that blends quality and versatility, this one's a strong pick. Just be ready for extra conversion parts and mattress size planning. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Nordme X Bedside Crib for Girl or Boy. This crib scores a couple of strong points. It transitions seamlessly between bedside sleeping, freestanding crib, and pliard, giving you excellent flexibility. The included mosquito net offers added protection in bug-prone areas, and the adjustable height settings help align with various adult bed frames. On the downside, the mattress provided is thin and firm, which might feel less comfortable for longer naps. Also, while it's portable, it's somewhat bulky and takes up more space than a basic bedside sleeper. So if your room is extremely tight, it may feel large. If you're after a multifunctional crib with extra features and have the space to accommodate it, this is a worthy option. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick, Rambe Baby Bassinet. This bedside sleeper shines in 2 key areas. The adjustable height settings let you align the bassinet perfectly with most adult beds for seamless nighttime access, and the breathable mesh sides offer excellent airflow and visibility, so you can keep an eye on your baby easily. On the flip side, the mattress provided is quite thin and may feel less plush compared to higher-end models, and the unit is somewhat bulky once assembled, so it might take up more space than you'd expect in a tight nursery. If you want a well-designed, adjustable bedside option and have enough room to accommodate it, this is a very solid choice. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite cribs for small spaces? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.